লাল বক্সের লেখা আমি পড়ব, নীল বক্সের লেখা তুমি পড়বা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। When was it? What did you do? Who were with you? Why was the holiday special to you? Nice to meet you. See you later. Allah Hafiz. লাল বক্সের লেখা তুমি পড়বা, নীল বক্সের লেখা আমি পড়ব। ওয়া আলাইকুম আসসালাম। It was in 2010. I did several things. For instance, I enjoyed with my friends, I introduced with new people, I shopped around, I ate Indian cuisine, I gossiped with my friends and relatives. I was with my friends because it was the first day of Banga New Year and it was the biggest festival for Bangladeshi people. That's why it was special to me. Nice to meet you too. See you later too. Allah Hafiz.